What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. It's a different type of video to what I normally do, but I want to get a bit of practice, so let's do it. Today we're going to London for a couple of days, so I'm looking forward to it. Expect a lot of content from London. It's going to be filming when I'm up there, so it's a bit early, too early for it on a Sunday morning. I'm being a good boy. I've come through, heating up the car, ready for Megs to get in it, nice and warm, innit? You know what I'm saying? No, actually, I'm just keen being in there. I want to get going, but we're about a 20-minute drive at the minute, then we're going to hop on a train, and I got a 2-hour train ride into London, and that's where the fun is going to begin. There we go, just like our Meg's in the car. Were you saying you excited?
Yes.
So let's go and do it. I haven't been on a train in so many years, and I haven't done London.
I've never been.
You've never been on a train?
Not on a long distance.
Not a long distance train, so this is going to be excited. But I haven't been to London this sort of way in over a decade. I've been for the car cruises, etc. So it's going to be a bit of fun. Get your reaction on a train. Let's do it. There we go. This is where the journey begins anyway. So welcome to Bridgend train station. We're going to be catching the train for here, straight to London Paddington. It's a 2-hour drive. I'm excited about it. What are you saying, Megs? Get over here, Megs. What are you saying?
Excited.
Yeah. Cold. Cold. It is very, very cold. We're going to go grab a coffee at the minute and probably pick this up when we're on the train. If it's a bit jumpy, oh well, my apologies. But yeah, that's where we're going. Right, there we go. We're on the train. What are we saying, Megs?
I'm excited.
Damn straight. Let's take you through a little hack of this.
No one
I know, exactly, right. So here's a good hack for you, right? Book a standard ticket. What you normally do is at the station normally is can I upgrade to first class because you get it much cheaper. Sadly, no seats together for us on first class today. For an extra 25 quid, it's well worth it. But so it looks like we're just cooking it this way today. Cooking it, whatever, we'll just roll with that. So yeah, 2 hours. Let's get through to it. I'm excited about it. Journey time. I tell you what though, yeah, I know it's like no Japanese hyper trains, but considering I am being on one of these since the old in the city 125s, these are so much smoother and quieter and calmer, and the legroom is much better than normal class. So we go reviewing trains as we go as well. But yeah, impressed. There we go, London Paddington. We're getting it done. Journey is literally only just beginning. There we go, London Paddington. We have arrived. I tell you what, let me switch this off. If you don't know this place, it's one of the busiest train stations here in London. It is complete and utter chaos is what it is, but that's a good vibe. So let's go find an Uber and let's continue the journey to the hotel. There we go. Right, this journey took a bit of a stumble, I'll be honest with you, because you couldn't get any Ubers for the area. You couldn't get any Addison Lees for the area, so we had to go old school way, standard way, black cab way, and then we got it done throughout the hotel. So from Paddington station to here, it cost about £35 in the taxi, which I know in it, but it is like, you know, about 4 miles away, traffic and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, we're at the hotel, and this is where this video is going to end, and that's you're going to have to get ready for all the other ones. I tell you what, though, you might see that in the background. Come and have a little nosy. Not Meg, she's getting us another little taxi booked, but check out that view. What are we saying? Not bad, is it? But anyway, different sort of video. It's all practice, it's all love. And I tell you what, smash like on that button, yeah? But I tell you what, stay tuned. London series coming very soon. Until next time, boosh!